Have you ever seen when people like do some kind of detox where their markers look worse before they look better?
Oh, of course.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to say that
Yep. I don't know. See, but what I'm saying is there was a direct there, and that's the worst of it.
Yeah.
I've seen. I'm trying to give a real number, so I have integrity, because that's my most important thing.
Yeah.
More than 1,000 patients have drank urine, and we've looked at their markers, and some of them nothing, no change. Some the markers have changed, and I still don't know, because I'm measuring in urine. Was it urine in and it came out and it was a part of it or not? In the functional and integrative space, we use a test. I'm guarantee you've heard of the Dutch test. It's a dried urine test. Why? Because it's loaded with hormones. Because we can look and see what it's in there. So if we do know that we use urine diagnostically to assess hormones, specifically neurosteroids, all the way from pregnenolone to progesterone to cortisone to cortisol, the awakening response, all that stuff. I've done tens of thousands of Dutch tests in my life. Those markers came from the urine that got peed into a glass, dipped the little card, let it dry, send it to the lab, and they can have all those chemicals in there. So my thing is this. If people are thinking that it's benign or just that it is not potentially harmful, I think that would be a reckless thing for them to do. But I still, even given that, drink up, sláinte. I don't care, to the point that it supersedes a person's right to choose to do it or not.
Yeah.
I'm simply trying to keep people sober in the thought that it's not just benign, that it's always going to give benefit. And without measuring and monitoring and quantifying what it is in you before, during, and after, you're playing with things that can kick off. Okay. So at the end of the day, I just, it's a balanced understanding of the two things. I don't find it ick. I think it's fine. It's not a big deal. You know, it's not, I'm not into the golden showers. I'm not a proponent, but I'm not a whatever. But at the end of the day, we can't be we can't
just to be clear, because I know that's what everyone says in the comments. You know,
I guarantee they do.
Just for the record, R. Kelly jokes aren't funny anymore, right? Because it's not original anymore. You guys got to come up with better ones. Come on, I want to see better insults in the comments. Come on, guys, it's not creative enough.
Yep.